Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp, Introduction to CSS for Developers, the part about color. And I want to show you the reason why I think that hexadecimal notation for color is still the most popular. And I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to go to Photoshop, and I'm going to pick my color picker. So here's my color picker. And I can pick any color I want to. Let's see, I could even mimic this color. I could do 155, 155, 200, right? And I could go the other way too, right? I could totally copy these numbers out one at a time and put them in here, right? Red, green, blue, right? I could do that. That's a thing that could be done, right? The thing is that it's just easier to get the one hex number and to put that here. That is easier. Instead of copying 3 numbers, you only have to copy 1. And also everybody understands it these days because we've been doing hexadecimal color notation for 20 years. So it's just something that you get used to. And it gets easier with time and with a good understanding of it and a good explanation of it. Let's go back, make sure that it still hasn't changed. So I already saved it. I'm going to refresh it. Okay, good. Hasn't changed a bit. All right, and let's change it again for funsies. Let's see. We'll go somewhere in here. Whee! All right. All right, that's a little bit much. It kind of clashes with our those blue links. We could change the blue links, but that requires some more explanation than I want to do right now. So let's see. Let's just make it a little more gray, and then the blue links will stay out a little better. I like Photoshop's color picker. It's fun. Yeah, that still looks bad though. All right, we got to find a good color to go with our blue. All right, we could start with blue. All right, so they're starting there. We could go here. That's kind of where we were a minute ago, and it was fine. Forgot to copy it. Actually, a minute ago we were a lot brighter than that. That looks good. We'll stick with that. The point is, these hexadecimal numbers are real easy to copy and paste. So easy to copy and paste. And I think that's their staying power. That's one of the things that makes them just really super easy to use, is you can copy and paste them around different places. All right. Thank you.